Hey, yo, Dev.
Yeah.
The manager wants you in at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. You think you make that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Make sure you're there on time, man. The manager's gonna be there.
Alright, I'm always early.
Alright, I gotta get back to my shift, man. You take it easy.
Alright, you too.
Dave, my man, earlobe boy. Come here, man. I gotta talk to you for a minute. For real. Dog, you know what I'm here for. I want all your money today. And if you ain't got no money, I want everything in your book bag. And if you ain't got nothing in your book bag, I'm taking your sneaks.
Come on, man. Why do you gotta do this like every day?
Because it's my nature.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I've been taking karate classes. I'm not afraid of you anymore.
Karate classes? What do you think that's gonna help you? It's not gonna help you today, boy, because I'm gonna knock you out. Finally ready to step up to the plate, big man? But this ain't baseball. So you got? All right. That ain't nothing. Got you.
It's time to give me your money.
Iつかの夏と